Good morning, you guys. Hello. This is what 35 looks like on me. It's my birthday today. I'm feeling pretty good. Not too shabby for 35, I think. Anyways, it is about 10 a.m. I am currently sitting here waiting for my husband to come out of the woods and spend the day with me. He has been on vacation from work all week. Just a staycation. He's been spending it mostly hunting and working on a few little projects here at home. But today he has agreed to spend a few hours shopping with me today. We are going to go to a bunch of places. I am on the hunt for some new Christmas decor. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, that I am a Christmas crazy girl. So we are... Hi, Sirius. Sirius has joined me this morning to get cat hair all over the sweater I just put on. So thoughtful of him. I don't know what I was saying. The cat distracted me. But we're going to go to, I think, Home Goods and Marshall's and maybe Target, Michael's, a few places that I don't usually get to because it's not my favorite area to drive to because of the parking and traffic and stuff. And so since he's home, he's going to drive me. I'm going to go give this cat some love because clearly he needs it. But I'm going to take you guys along with me today as we celebrate 35. So keep on watching, guys. We're at Home Depot. I like this one. Because the glitter on it looks kind of like snow without it being that super flocked like that one over there. I like this. Okay, so Home Goods is exploded with Christmas stuff. Look at how beautiful. We are so excited. And by we, I mean me, because my husband is not feeling this Christmas stuff yet. Okay, guys, so we have been having such a good time shopping, looking at Christmas stuff. I just went into Ulta and bought an eyelash curler. And I also met my very first subscriber in the wild. And I was so excited I forgot to ask her her name. But she said that she watches my channel, mostly my cleaning videos, which I know I haven't posted in forever. But that was seriously so exciting. It totally made my day. So if you're watching, hi, it was so nice to meet you. I'm sorry I didn't get your name. Yeah, first time that's ever happened to me. I may or may not have squealed inside Marshall's for like half an hour after that. So we're gonna go and get some lunch, I think, and then we're going to head off to do some more shopping. So we are starving, so we're gonna go get some lunch at Five Guys. We don't have one of these super close to our house. We're in a little shopping area. It's not too far from our house, but far enough away that we don't come here very often. So while we're here, we're gonna take advantage, have some lunch, and then I think we're going to go back towards home. I wanna go to Big Lots because I know that they have a ton of navy blue Christmas decorations, and I think that's the theme that I'm gonna try to go with this year, is like navy blue and gold. So so I want to check them out and see what they have, and then we're also gonna go to TJ Maxx because they always have the most beautiful stuff for super affordable. So that's the plan, and then we gotta pick up Austin from robotics after that. Might go out for dinner later. I don't know what else we're gonna do, but having a pretty good birthday. It started out a little rough, but it's getting better. All right, so this is where they had all the navy blue stuff, so we're gonna go and check it out. Okay, so what do we want? One of everything, right? Get the pretty tree skirt. This is the color scheme I'm going with this year, I think. So pretty. Oh, I thought they had more than this. I guess I remembered.
They probably did. I'm sure there are others just like you.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Oh no, my battery's dying. Alright, let's go shop. Alright, you guys, well, we have literally been shopping all day. Mostly window shopping, but we did buy a few things. Mostly, like I was saying earlier, some holiday decor. I'm gonna do a whole separate, like, haul video for that. I got stuff at Big Lots and Walmart, and I also have some stuff from Dollar General, so that's gonna be a whole holiday themed haul. But right now, it's almost 5:30, so we have to go and pick up Austin from robotics, and then I think we're gonna find some place for dinner. Alright, you guys, so I am home now, and I came home to 2 packages on my doorstep. So I ordered myself some books from Amazon as sort of birthday presents. These are used books, gently used. I love like YA novels, and I love the Hunger Games series. I've had this set of books before. I don't know if I loaned it to someone or what, but my books disappeared. So I ordered these so that I could have copies again. I love the Hunger Games series, so I picked up those, and then I have not read, I've read Divergent, but I haven't read the other ones from this series of books. So I picked these up. They were not in like perfect condition, as you can see here, but I think I paid like $5 for all 3 of these, and maybe $4 for these, like super affordable. So pretty excited about those.